Hi there, my name is Tori and I'm the Makerspace Librarian at the Irvin L. Young Memorial Library in Whitewater, Wisconsin. I am back with another weekly craft activity for you. This week we are going to be making an old-fashioned toy called a thaumatrope, and this is how they work. You spin them between your hands and it combines the images, one image on one side, one image on the other side. So let's talk about how these toys work. It's probably difficult to imagine a time with no television, no movies, and no cartoons. These old-fashioned toys, which were popular in the 1920s, employ the same science used by the artists that draw your favorite cartoons. While watching a movie, we see characters jumping, running, dancing, instead of seeing hundreds of still images, which is what they actually are. Our brains take the images flashing on the screen and connects them to form a continuous stream of motion. This is known as the illusion of apparent motion. Thaumatropes use the same illusion to join two separate images into one image. They were one of the most popular toys available in the US during the 1920s. So if you were a kid born 100 years ago, you probably would have played with one of these toys. So let's get started on how to make them. So in your craft kit, you're going to receive some templates like this and a blank one so you can create your own. You can draw your own thaumatrope. And you'll receive a few of these wooden dowels that you can make different ones. So when you're working with one of these templates, all you need to do is color and cut them out. So this one, I just folded in half, just like that. So to attach my my paper to my stick, I'm just going to use a regular glue stick. You can use whatever you have at home, glue, tape, whatever you have. So when you're drawing your own, the important thing to think about is trying to get the two images lined up correctly. So I'm going to cut these in half, separate these two circles, and now I can kind of compare them to one another and make sure that my images are lining up the way I want them to.